This right here just might be the most important piece of lumber on your home. This pressure-treated piece of lumber right here is what is known as the sill plate. The sill plate is treated with chemicals that help it resist termites, moisture, and other wood-boring insects. Okay, so the sill plate is actually the very first piece of lumber that's put onto your home. Essentially, it anchors your home down to the foundation. You can see these bolts and these nuts right here. These bolts are actually set down into concrete that's poured in between these blocks and allowed to cure. Then they come back and set these sill plates on top and drill holes and bolt them down. Another key component is this moisture barrier right here. This barrier typically comes in rolls and it is applied atop the foundation wall before you install the sill plate. And its role, you guessed it, to keep moisture away from this sill plate. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed learning about this very important part of the home called the sill plate. Once again, my name is Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent with Kerr & Company Realty. Please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel so you see all my updates. I'm gonna walk you through the entire process to the steps to building a home here in College Grove, Tennessee. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.